Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Hi, from Embedded World 2019. Here we are talking about the Amazon demonstration around the cloud solution with FreeRTOS AWS Connectivity Kit. So we are running a solution with EtherCAT controlling the motors, and on top of that we have the solution with AWS Amazon RTOS connecting via Wi-Fi and using our TrustX for secure element for cloud communications, and our current sensor for the measurements of current consumption of the motors. So what you can do, you have a controlled loop from EtherCAT here. With this measurement, you can stream data to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you can make analysis of power consumption and do some predictive maintenance of your board over the current application. So we are selling this kit through the web, infineon.com/connectivitykit.